Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it is your first time here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. So please like. So when the data updated you today's dates. Last date updates in African transfer news. Headline Tapelo links with a move to Kaizer Chiefs. Rumors Kaizer Chiefs are openly in the market for attacking players. Reporters says Truka United Tapelo Matlock is on the list to sign for Kaizer Chiefs. So, if you are new here on this channel, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you notify next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.